Everyone's waiting to be let out this morning. Oh, you should have been patient. Good morning, girls. Let's get their coop clean. Got it clean for them. While I'm out here, I'm gonna collect some eggs. Someone must have cracked an egg. These ones are stuck. It's starting to sprinkle. These chickens are enjoying being out so much that they're just hanging out under the tree house rather than going into their coop. Hey Luna. Hey Buzzerbeak. Felicia. Nugget, Colonel, Lufa, Reese. Better get your coop clean so you can get back in. Hey sleeping crew. Let's get it clean in here. We got it clean. Now we'll collect these eggs. Alright, we can't be growing any babies. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Have a good day. Alright, let's see if we can get these girls into the coop and out from under the treehouse. I've got their scratch. Oh, we've got some coming out to me. No, go back in. Go back in. Trying to bring it back under the sun sail. Here they come. All right, bantams. Cheers. There's Moose. Moose and Dwad looking for hand fed. Want some nugget? Oh, Reese! Be nice. Sorry, Nug. There you go. The rain is just a slight drizzle now, so I went ahead and got the hay out. It's so light that even Evie's out. So let's go get the cows out so that I can get her fed in a little bit. Let me get the cows out, okay? Good morning, Dwayne. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridgett. Good morning, Dove. Apparently an early put-up is all Bridgett needs to make her get out of the barn quick. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. We got these girls their water and pellets. No one's interested in eating yet? Have a good day. Honey, are you looking for some treats? Just a second. I got Honey's pellets filled up, but I saw that he had accidentally flipped his hay cube out of his cage last night, so I gave that to him, and he's way more interested in eating that. Have a good day, buddy. Evie's still patiently waiting. Charlie must like to nap when it's raining too. Sorry, buddy. Coming to bring you and Evie some breakfast. I'm getting it. Evie can't make up her mind. She'll eat from this one. Go back to your bowl, buddy. And then she comes and steals Charlie's bowl. You're just gonna let her have it? Charlie, your bowl's over here. There you go. Evie, that's rude. I'm sorry, Charlie. Go to hers, I guess. Charlie's back at Evie's bowl now. Evie, you need to slow down. Oh my goodness. There will always be food here. Apparently they're just gonna eat from the same bowl. Dwayne bought some soft food and some flea medication. So Evie won't let us touch her, but at least she's getting some medicine on her. Charlie Cat got his on him. And he's really mad right now that I'm holding him and not letting him eat Evie's food. Coming out to check on the girls. And we've got the babies together over here. How's your day going, Atlee? You look sleepy. How are you doing, Dove? Poor eyes are all weepy again. How about you, Bridgett? How are you doing? I'm sorry. I really wish you would learn to like me. Hey, Harlow. How you doing, little sister? How about you, Ember? How are you doing? The girls enjoying the shade? Luca took time to brush out the bunnies earlier. I think she got a lot of hair off of them. How you doing, girls? You feel good to get some good hairbrushes in? I feel like they look shinier. Look good. Honey got to take a trip to the Bantams earlier. He hung out with the Bantams while Lennox was cleaning his cage. She said he seemed to like it. I was mowing, so I didn't get to see it. Playing with your cups, getting all your snacks. Your spoiled little bunny. So I forgot to clasp the net today, and a hen got out and ate off almost every single one of Dwayne's feathers that he had been growing back. So I'm gonna talk to Wayne, and if he agrees, I think I'm gonna start making Dwayne stay in the cow pasture. And then hopefully he will get that pretty tail back. Nugget, are you all hot? I'm gonna check your water and see if it needs cooled down. Sound like a plan? Hey guys, I cooled off your water if you want to get a cool drink. Got Dwayne some cool water. Getting the big chicken's water cooled off. Some of them are enjoying playing in the puddles that were just made by dumping the baby pool. Charlie Cat's just here napping. Good boy, Charlie. I can't tell if Bridgett knows that this is poison she's rubbing herself all over, and then is gonna let me pet her. To punish me. Or if she just likes how it feels. That treat tastes good, Bridgett? I was gonna take the lazy way out and just try and put a bucket full of water in front of the low spot to keep Dwayne in the pasture. But Wayne is moving Lime over. Bridgett's really been interested in the situation. But Wayne's moving Lime over to just fill in that spot so that he can't squeeze under anymore. The lime pile is Bridget's favorite area, so she's a little bit annoyed that we're making it shorter. She already had a fight with the wagon. Looks like she thought better than to fight with Wayne. Lennox got a halter on Dove because she was going to work on some training with her, but instead Dove's tough now. He's gonna beat up Bridget. Alright, Dwayne. We're gonna put you in the cow pasture. Hopefully we've got it set up to where you'll have to stay over there and get better. Yeah, buddy? Stay in there if you want to be away from the cows. Well, he's out of his safe area, but doesn't seem to mind digging around in the hay spot. Yeah, find happiness over here, buddy. Lennox and Dove are doing good. Good job, Dove. What do you think, Dove? Dwayne and Atlee are not getting along very well. Atlee, quit! But Dwayne is able to run away, so hopefully he stays safe and Atlee gets bored with him. We got Dwayne's food and water moved over here. So hopefully he'll get himself a snack and realize in here's a really good place to be. We came out to get the barn ready to get the girls in. Dwayne thinks he needs to roost up on Dove's door. Sorry, buddy, we're gonna put you in your cage. We're getting Dwayne his treat. He's heading on into his cage. Good job, buddy. Have a good night. Come on in, Atlee. Good girl, Dove. Good girls. Lennox just picked a snail off of Dove. All right, here you go, Felicity. Hallie, do you want a bedtime treat? Felicity was just being ornery to everyone, so they're all on edge right now. Here, Molly, you want a bedtime treat? Felicity, quit. Here you go, Hallie. Cheers, Molly. Here you go, girls. All right, honey, here's yours. Are you gonna eat a bedtime treat? Are you snubbing it? Alright, well, I'm going to put it in there for you. Have a good night. Lennox is getting Dove all brushed out. Poor Ember. Little jealous girl. Good night, Bantams. We'll see you in the morning. Alright, Marianne, it's time for bed. Head on in. The fact that the ducks are in lately before even all the chickens are in. Massive improvement. Good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Charlie and Evie are waiting for us to come out of the barn, it looks like. Lana's spending some time with Felicity tonight. This bunny, it doesn't seem to matter how much you brush her, there's always more hair to fall off. Apparently the girls were doing some riding sessions while I was putting up the chickens. Luca and Lana both sat on her back while I was out. Luca's giving Ember some love. Hopefully if she gives her enough love, she'll let her rub on Harlow some. You're being super jealous tonight. Does that feel good? Ember, let her have a turn. Luca's mastered the art of one chin to the other. Lana's giving Atlee some attention now.
Now I'm giving Bridgett attention. Bark, bark. Bark. Bark, bark, bark. Here are the bunnies. Hey, honey. Engine scratch. What you doing, Evie? Can I pet you?
We got the barn all swept. Now it's time to tell everyone good night. Good night, Atlee. Good night, Bridgett. Good night, Dove. Good night, Ember. Good night, Harlow. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.